Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you from Holiday Motors, and right now I couldn't be more excited to show you this 1964 Corvette that we just picked up. This car is a resto mod and a fully built, perfect driver. This car I would jump in and run to Florida and back. It's comfortable, it drives great, it handles great. So many upgrades and modern amenities that make it so much nicer than an all-original 1964. As you can see, it does have the big block hood. This is not a big block car. This has a small block V8 in it, but it runs and drives perfectly. It's got a 5-speed manual Tremec transmission that's brand new. The rear end was just rebuilt and put 308 gears in it. It runs at only 1800 RPMs at 60 miles an hour down the highway. It has the electric headlights, disc brakes up front, drums in the rear, but they are power brakes. It has power steering, tilt steering wheel, brand new exhaust all the way through. I've got pictures and documentation of so much stuff that was done to it just in the last 2 years. The main question being the birdcage on the driver's side. That was completely rebuilt. With a ton of pictures and documentation of that. The new exhaust system, and they did a perfect job getting those directly through the center of those holes. As you can see, the paint and body on this thing is amazing. All the chrome is in great shape. All the lights work. Brand new set of torque thrust wheels and tires. And just look at the body lines on this car. The doors open and shut. It's so nice. It's got one little dimple right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that from the camera. And then it's got one little spot. Where is it? It's in the silver, so it's hard to see out in the daylight. But those are the biggest blemishes that I've been able to find on this car so far. Door panels are brand new, in perfect shape. It's got the C5 seats in it, and they are power. They do work great, and they are a two-tone dark blue and gray that match the car wonderfully. There's your headlight switches, tilt steering, as you can see, cruise control, yes, it works, and the vintage air. This is your temperature control, this is your fan speed. And it blows extremely cold. It's great. The radio does work, and I'm fairly certain that it's original, because it sounds like a 1964 stereo. I think that's the only speaker in it. Carpet, headliner, it's all new. This car, again, is extremely impressive. Now, through my camera, what I'm viewing right now, that looks like it's purple, but I believe it's just because the back glass is tinted. In person, it's dark navy blue, just like the rest of the carpet, and it's in excellent shape, as you can see here. I'll try to get more video of that when I get it back inside the shop. Alright, now we'll get the business end opened up for you. There you go. Super clean. very, very well put together car. And I'll get some video to add to this of the undercarriage as well. Definitely one of the nicest C2s that I've seen in a very long time. So, but we have it for you at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right there since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text me directly with any questions at 757-676-4444. Again, I'm gonna add some other videos of it running and the undercarriage, so stay tuned. Alright, so we've got the car up on the rack, and sticking my head underneath of it was one thing, but putting it on this rack is a totally different. This car is absolutely gorgeous and cleaner underneath of it than most vehicles that I've seen that were 1 or 2 years old. There's the new rear end with the 308 gears, new spring pack, brake lines. As you can see, the floor pans are perfect. Of course, the bird cage over here on this side has been replaced, and I've got all sorts of pictures and documentation of that. Brand new Tremec 5-speed transmission. And the exhaust is perfect. It is straight as an arrow. Brand new power steering. No leaks. Dry as it can be underneath of it. I don't think there's any nut and bolt that has not been turned on this car. Very impressive. Alright, so I'm going to add this cold start video. Have you seen these doors shut, by the way? Good grief. So tight. Anyway. Cold start. Put the key in it. Hit the gas twice. It fires up every time. Boom. And the shifter is nice and tight too. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Nice and tight. Very nice. And then reverse, lift up to right, back down. Alright, so let me get it out front for you. Alright, so we got her out front. Get this hood popped open for you. Nice and quiet. Such a smooth running car. I need to pop these headlights up for you too. So this is the on switch, and then this is the switch that raises and lowers them. So this is the thumb drive that I have for all of the photo documentation of all of the work that was done. Interior trim work, prep for interior, door panels, distributor ID, example of shitty work, final painting of interior, all this stuff. Anyway, kind of hard to show up here, but it's much easier than printing and posting all of these different photos. So I do have them. They are available. We can figure out how to get them to you. So any other information that you might need, you just let us know.